How can we make our hair silky straight at home? Just one use will give you straight, shiny, glossy, and frizz-free hair. Your hairband will slip off due to the extreme smoothness of your hair. Everyone in your family will ask about this secret. My mom always makes this hair straightening cream, and all my sisters and I use it. I promise to God we have never used any straightener or fancy treatments for hair straightening. Even my brother uses it. And as you can see, he has silky hair too. I won't waste more time, but before we start, please give this video a thumbs up to support me. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of almond oil to a bowl. Almond oil deeply nourishes and smooths hair, reducing frizz and making strands naturally straighter over time. Its rich vitamin E and fatty acids repair damage, boost shine, and enhance softness for a sleek, polished look. With consistent use, it strengthens hair from root to tip, leaving it silky, manageable, and effortlessly beautiful. Next, add 2 capsules of vitamin E. Vitamin E deeply hydrates and repairs hair, eliminating dryness and frizz for an instantly smoother texture. Its powerful antioxidants protect against damage, keeping hair healthy, shiny, and luxuriously soft. Regular use strengthens strands, making them effortlessly silky, manageable, and naturally beautiful. Lastly, add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix everything to form a smooth, thick, and consistent paste. Aloe vera penetrates deep into the hair shaft, intensely nourishing and softening each strand for a silky smooth texture. Its powerful enzymes and amino acids repair damage, reduce split ends, and restore natural shine. Acting as a protective shield, it controls frizz, enhances elasticity, and leaves hair irresistibly sleek and manageable. Apply this mask directly to your hair. You can also use it on the roots if you have dandruff. Emulsify thoroughly along the hair length to ensure it penetrates the hair cuticles. Once applied, cover your hair with cling wrap or any other available wrap. Leave the mask on for at least 35 minutes, then wash your hair with a mild shampoo. To maintain super straight, silky, and glossy hair, use this mask once a week. If you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button to support me.